Yeah, have a look at the summary of the formula that we have already studied. Capital R, that is circumradius, is equal to A by 2 sin A, B by 2 sin B is equal to C by 2 sin C, which also means A is equal to 2R sin A, B is equal to 2R sin B, C is equal to 2R sin C. Secondly, same capital R circumradius is equal to ABC by 4 delta, or cross multiplication ABC is equal to 4R delta. Third one, in radius small r is equal to delta by S, or cross multiplication RS is equal to delta. Also there is a formula for same R, S minus A tan A by 2, or S minus B tan B by 2, or S minus C tan C by 2. Same for R, there is another formula 4R sin A by 2 sin B by 2 sin C by 2. Now x radii, R1 delta by S minus A, R2 delta by S minus B, R3 delta by S minus C. R1 is equal to S tan A by 2, R2 S tan B by 2, R3 S tan C by 2. R1 is equal to 4R sin A by 2 cos B by 2 cos C by 2, R2 4R cos A by 2 sin B by 2 cos C by 2, R3 4R cos A by 2 cos B by 2 sin C by 2. And now deductions of these formulae. 1 by R1, 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3 is equal to 1 by R. R1 plus R2 plus R3 minus R is equal to 4R, or sometimes we use R1 R plus R2 plus R3 is equal to 4R plus R. Then RR1, R2, R3 is equal to delta square. R1, R2 plus R2, R3 plus R3, R1 is equal to S square. R is equal R minus R1 plus R2 plus R3, 4R cos A, R plus R1 minus R2, 4R cos B, R plus R1 plus R2 minus R3, 4R cos C. Now let us have a few questions. First one, R1 cot A by 2 under sigma is equal to 3S. I am solving, please see. R1 cot A by 2. R1 is delta by S minus A. Cot A by 2 S into S minus A by delta. After cancellations, only S left out under sigma. Please note, sigma A, as you already know, is A plus B plus C. But sigma K, for example, it cannot be continuation of alphabetical letters. Sigma K, K is a constant not coming under this, so it is K plus K plus K, or 3K. In future, wherever sigma comes under constant, we shall write 3 times the same thing. See one more example. This is 4 plus 4 plus 4, that is 12. It may come in some questions, that's why I am telling you now itself. So sigma S will become S plus S plus S, or 3S. This is your right hand side, 3S. See the solution to the second bit. Left hand side, sigma R1 by S minus B S minus C. R1 by S minus B S minus C. Watch carefully. Sigma R1 by S minus B S minus C, we have to prove 3 by R. Let us proceed. R1 is delta by S minus A. These two remain in denominator as they are. Understand? R1 delta by S minus A, denominators S minus B S minus C continue. Delta can be pulled out of sigma, and what is left out here is 1 by S minus A S minus B, S minus C. I will supply one S here to make it delta square. Understand? Multiplying and dividing by S. S can be kept inside the sigma or outside the sigma because it remains unaffected by your sigma. One by delta square. Proceed. After cancellations, S by delta 1. Delta cancels delta here. S by delta, delta has come out. S by delta, you know delta by S is R. So S by delta will be 1 by R. And as I have just now said, sigma 4 is 4 plus 4 plus 4. Sigma 1 is 1 plus 1 plus 1. Let me write this time. This is 3 by R. Proving your right hand side. See another question now. Show in triangle ABC RR1 is equal to S minus B, S minus C. RR1 is cot A by 2 is equal to delta. These two questions are being left for you for solving. In case you don't get, you can ask. Few questions now. Please see this question now. Show in triangle ABC that R1, R2, R3 is equal to R cube pi cot square A by 2. Let me take left hand side. Please see the solution carefully. This is R1, this is R2, this is R3. Delta by S minus A is R1, delta by S minus B is R2, delta by S minus C is R3. I am rewriting, please watch carefully. You can notice one S is lacking here, we shall supply. S is divided and multiplied here. Denominator is delta square. So after cancellation, this gives you S into delta. This is the simplification of my left hand side R1, R2, R3. I am taking now right hand side, please see. As I have said earlier, pi denotes product. Once again, please see here. If I write pi x, I mean x into y into z. Whereas sigma x is x plus y plus z, pi x is x into y into z. Accordingly, r cube, there is a formula we shall write later. Pi cot square a by 2 according to this. Cot square a by 2, cot square b by 2, cot square c by 2. This is pi cot square a by 2. Had it been sigma, I would have written plus signs here, please note. R cube, R is equal to delta by S, so this is delta cube by S cube. Formula for cot a by 2 is S into S minus a by delta. This is the formula for cot a by 2. Because this is cot square a by 2, look here, S square, S minus a whole square by delta square. Similarly, cot b by 2 or cot square b by 2. Cot square c by 2. You have to watch carefully now. Delta square, that is delta is 6 times. Here delta is 3 times. So all these will cancel, leaving delta cube in denominator. Once again, delta cube here, delta power 6 here. So after cancellation, delta cube left out. Here also, please see here, s square, s square, s square. I am taking 2s square, that is s power 4, cancelling this one. So one s is left out. Understand here, s square, s power 4, cancelling s cube, s left out. This s square as it is. I have not disturbed it. S minus a whole square, s minus b whole square, s minus c whole square. Understand this part once again. R cube, delta cube by s cube, cot a by 2, s into s minus a by delta, because this is squared, all terms are squared in cot square a by 2, cot square b by 2, cot square c by 2. Now, delta cube by s cube, delta is 3 times here and 6 times here. So, 3 times will be left out. S is 4 times here, s square, s square. I will cancel this s cube, leaving one s from here. S square as it is, s minus a whole square as it is, s minus b whole square as it is, s minus c whole square as it is. 1 by delta cube into s. Please note, this is delta square whole square. Look here, s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c is delta square. S into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c is delta square. This is all squared, so delta square whole square. Or shall we say delta power 4 by delta cube. After cancellation, s into delta left out. Number 1 and number 2 agree. I will write here. Since 1 and 2 agree, therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side is proved. Left hand side is equal to right hand side is proved because 1 and 2 agree. Solving another question, please concentrate. Left hand side is R2 plus R3 or R1, R2, R3 under root, that is power half. Watch carefully. R2 delta by s minus b, R3 delta by s minus c, R2 plus R3 or R1. R is delta by s, R1 is delta by s minus a, R2 delta by s minus b, delta by s minus c under root. Proceed. Delta is common here. 1 by s minus b plus 1 by s minus c. Please notice here, numerator delta square, numerator delta square, both numerators will cancel each other. So 1 by s into s minus a left out in the numerator and 1 by s minus b, s minus c left out in the denominator, continues to be under root. Understand? Cancellation of deltas. LCM here, s minus b into s minus c, s minus c plus s minus b. Understand very well. LCM, nothing more to explain. This one, 1 by s into s minus a. This is s minus b, s minus c under root. Understand this part, 1 by s into s minus a, s minus b into s minus c. By 1 I did not write, there is no need to write. This is 2s minus b minus c by s minus b, s minus c. Here s minus b, s minus c by s minus a, entirely under root. I am writing root separately, please see. Under root this one separately written, because this is s minus b, s minus c here without root, here with root. So this will cancel, leaving s minus b under root here. 2s is a plus b plus c minus b minus c. Please see once again, s minus b, s minus c under root here, without root here. After cancellation, under root will remain here. This is as it is. This part I want you to see once again. Please see one example here. It will be easy to understand. If it is like this, we can cancel and write 1 by root a. Same thing is done here. This is under root, this is not under root. So after cancellation, under root will be left out. Numerator is a. Join all this, because all are under root. S minus b, s minus c under root. And this you know is delta. So this is equal to a. Your right hand side is proved. A proved.